AMEB's online exams in Theory of Music, Musicianship, and Musicraft can now be taken in your web browser without downloading any additional software. In order to take an online exam, you must first allow PopUps from AMEB's online exams website. We strongly recommend confirming that PopUps are correctly enabled and familiarizing yourself with the updated online examining system before attempting an official exam. This video will show you how to allow PopUps using the browser Safari. If you are not sure which browser you are using, you can head to the website www.whatsmybrowser.org. You can also recognize Safari by its distinctive logo, and if you are using a Mac computer, the name of the browser will be displayed in the top left-hand corner of your screen. The first time you try to open an online exam, Safari will issue a prompt saying PopUp window blocked. This temporary error message will display for 5 seconds or so in the URL bar, that is, the web address section in Safari. After that message disappears, click on the icon to the right-hand side of the URL bar to enable PopUps from AMEB's online exams website. Your exam will now open. If, for some reason, this method has not worked, you can also manually adjust your browser's settings via Safari's Preferences. First, navigate to the Practice Exam webpage. Open Safari's Preferences, found under the Safari menu in the top left-hand corner of your screen. Select Websites from the menu bar along the top. A list of different options will be displayed in the left-hand side column. Select Pop-up Windows. Then, from the list of currently open websites, you will see exams.ameb.edu.au. Select Allow. You will now be able to launch AMEB online exams.